20 keyboard shortcuts you're a moron for not using. 1. Ctrl+A highlights all text in your Word document. 2. Ctrl+F opens the dialog box to find a certain word or phrase in the text. 3. Ctrl+C copies the highlighted text to the clipboard for later use. 4. Ctrl+X cuts the highlighted text from its current position and places it on the clipboard. 5. Ctrl+V pastes the last piece of text that was put onto the clipboard by either a cut or copy command into the current cursor position of the document. 6. Ctrl+B makes the currently highlighted text bold. 7. Ctrl+U underlines the currently highlighted text. 8. Ctrl+Shift+D applies double underline formatting to the selected text. 9. Ctrl+I makes the currently highlighted text italic. 10. Ctrl+E align the selected text in the center. 11. Ctrl+Y redo the last action. 12. Ctrl+Z undo the last action. 13. Ctrl+Backspace deletes one word to the left of the cursor. 14. Ctrl+Backspace deletes one word to the left of the cursor. 15. Ctrl+Shift+L creates a bullet point. 16. Ctrl+Shift+F changes the font. 17. Ctrl+M increase the indent in a paragraph. 18. Ctrl+D show the font dialog box. 19. Ctrl+K opens the dialog box to insert a hyperlink. 20. Ctrl+S save the document. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.